Hello students, now let's continue parts of speech. Okay, a verb. A verb is an action word. Okay, verb is an action word that shows what is action done by our subject or a person or thing. Okay, so let's see the definition here. A verb is a doing word that tell us something about a person or thing. Okay, there can be three kinds of verb. There can be three kinds of verb. Verb means an action doing in the sentence. Action doing in the sentence, that is verb. Sentence ની અંદર જે કંઈ પણ action થતું હોય that is called verb. Okay, so there can be three kinds of verb: transitive verb, intransitive verb, and auxiliary verb. Okay, let's see. Transitive verb, it takes an object. Okay, transitive verb always has its own object. Okay, and now you have a question that what is an object. Then if we ask a question what, if we ask a question what to our verb, the answer, whatever answer we get, that is our object. Okay, so if there is an object of a verb, that verb is transitive verb, and if there is no object of a verb at that time, the verb is intransitive verb. Remember that. Okay, if there is object of a verb at that time, that verb, they are transitive verb. And if there is no object at that time, the verb is intransitive verb. Okay, so transitive verb, it always takes an object. For example, Rohan flew a kite. Rohan flew a kite. Now ask a question what to our verb. What is verb here? Flew. Okay, flew is a verb. Now ask a question what? Flew what? So flew a kite. So answer, what is the answer? A kite. So a kite is become an object here. Okay, a kite become an object here. So this verb takes an object. This verb takes an object. So this verb is transitive verb. Now second one, she learnt her lesson. She learnt her lesson. Now here what is the verb? So learnt. Learnt here is a verb. Now ask a question what? What learn? So learnt her lesson. What learn? Learn her lesson. So her lesson is an answer. So here her lesson is an object. So this verb learnt needs some object. So it is transitive verb. Now third sentence, boys made much noise. Boys made much noise. Okay, now here made is our verb. Now ask a question what? Now made what? Made much noise. Made what? Made much noise. So much noise is an object here. Okay, so this verb made is a transitive verb. Now second type of verb is intransitive verb. It does not take an object. Okay, if there is no object of verb, that verbs are called intransitive verbs. Let's see the examples. First one, the sun shines. So shines what? Here shines what? So the sun shines. So here no object is given. Now the wind blows. The wind blows. Here no object is given. The girls danced. Okay, the girls danced. Here no object is given, only the subject is given. Okay, so these all verbs are intransitive verbs. Okay, if we say that this boy blows a whistle. This boy blows a whistle. At that time, blows become an transitive verb. Why? Because blows what? Blows a whistle. Blows a whistle. Okay, so at that time it become an transitive verb. So any verb which have its own object at that time, that these verbs are transitive verbs. Okay, so always remember that an adverb or adverb phrase is not an object. The object of a verb is always a noun phrase, or a noun equivalent, or a pronoun. So that is the transitive verb. So these adverb, so these all the verbs shines, blows and dance, they have object, and they have object always a noun or noun phrase, or a noun equivalent, or a pronoun. Okay, so it has not object. Object નથી, એમની પાસે શું છે? Only noun or noun phrase or pronoun. Okay, so if it has no object at that time, these verbs are called intransitive verbs. Now third one, auxiliaries. It helps the main verb to form a sentence. Now there are two kinds of auxiliaries, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Now primary auxiliaries, be, do, have, and their various forms. Like be, forms of be are is, am, are, was, were. So these are the forms of be, and all these are primary auxiliaries, and they helps in form a tense. Now do, form of do are does, did, have. Do, does, did, have, and has and have, had. Okay, so these are primary auxiliaries. And modal auxiliaries, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, dare, need, ought to, used to. Okay, so these are modal auxiliaries. So now there are thus three types of verbs. You have learnt the use of the auxiliaries in primary classes, previous classes. Okay, now test yourself. Here you have to find out here the verb are underlined, and you have to say that whether the verb is transitive or untransitive, and if it is transitive, then what is the object. Okay, identify the object and the verb transitive or intransitive. Now let's see first sentence. Time changes all things. Time changes all things. Now changes is our verb. Okay, now ask a question, what changes what? So all things, changes all things. So it has its object. એની પાસે શું છે? Object છે. So it is transitive verb. Now the sun rises in the east. Rises what? So rises what? So it is again sun rises only. Okay, sun is a here noun and not object. Okay, so rises nothing. So here it has no its object, so it is intransitive verb. Now we eat 3 times a day. We eat 3 times a day. So eat what? Nothing. કંઈ પણ નથી આપ્યું. Eat what? So it is intransitive verb. It has no object. Okay, it has no object. If we say that we eat an apple, we eat a food. Okay, we eat a food 3 times a day. So here eat what? So eat food. So at that time, if here food is added at that time, it has become transitive verb because it has its own object, food. Okay, but here food is not given, object is not given, so it is an intransitive verb. Okay, now fourth one, cock crow in the morning. Crow what? Crow what? શું crow? So crow nothing, so it is an intransitive verb. અહીંયા એનું object નથી. Okay, the clock ticks all day long. Now ticks what? Ticks what? Here no object is given. Okay, ticks what? So the clock ticks. but clock is here subject or noun. So its object is not given, so it is intransitive verb. Now open your books at page number 13. Now open what? Open your books. So here open what? Open your books. So here object is given, so it is transitive verb. And what is object here? Your books. Okay, so it is object. Now the policeman blew his whistle. Now policeman blew his whistle. See, now policeman blew his whistle. Now blew is verb. Now ask a question, what? Blew what? Blew his whistle. Okay, blew his whistle. So whistle is a object here. Whistle is a object here, so it is transitive verb. Now rest of the sentences you have to do yourself. Okay, try yourself and check the answers in answer key. Okay students, take care students, stay home, stay safe.